Welcome, my dear student, to this January 2020 paper. We are solving the complete solution in this particular video from question 1 to question 60. Now, this is our first question. What percentage of 40 is 8? So, this is the same as expressing 8 as a percentage of 40. So, 8 over 40 times 100%. And we can cancel out, 8 here 1 and 8 here 5 times. And we can rewrite this as 1 out of 5 times 100%. So let's do that. 1 out of 5 times 100%. And we can still simplify further. 5 will go here 20 times. So the correct answer will be 20%. 20%, which is option B. Now we have this, we want to find the equivalent. 2 out of 3 exponent negative 2. So we flip the base and change the exponent to positive sign. So this becomes exponent positive 2. Share the exponent for the top and down to get 3 squared over 2 squared, and that will give you 9 out of 4. But if you don't want to do it this way, you can also go another way by multiplying 3 out of 2 by itself, and that will give you 9 out of 4. So the correct answer is D. Now we have this square root of 17 squared minus 15 squared. You can use difference of two squares. And we know a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into bracket a minus b. So we use that property to get 17 plus 15, then times 17 minus 15. So when we simplify, we get square root of 32 times 2, and that will give you root 64, which is the same as 8. There's another way you can also do it. So the correct choice is C. If you don't want to do it this way, you can find the square of 17, which is 289. So 17 squared is 289. So let's do that. 17 squared is 289. Then minus 15 squared, which is 225. And if you subtract, you get this will give you 4 and this will give you 6. So square root of 64 equals 8. So this is the first method and this is the second method. Any of them you can use. The square root of 191 lies between which two numbers? So we write 191. We know 191 is find two perfect numbers. That will be 196. So the perfect number, which is the least, which is greater than 191, is 196. Okay, 196. Then this one will be 169. That is the highest. That is less than 191. So we take square root to get something like this. Square root each of the terms to get something like this. Now we simplify. 13, and this will give us 191. Square root of 196 will give you 14. So that will be equal to 14. So it is between 13 and 14. Then we have this 99 times 101 has the same value as what? So we use the distributive property. So we rewrite 101 as 100 plus 1. So 99 into 100 plus 1. And we now expand using the distributive property to get 99 times 100 plus 99 times 1. So this is the same as this, and that will be option D. Now we have the sixth question here. 40 students and 60% are girls. 25% of the girls wear glasses. So we want to find the number of girls that wear glasses. But we know that number of students in the class is 40. So number of girls will be 40 times 60%. 60 out of 100. And we can cancel out this, will cancel this. 10 will go here 4 times. So 4 times 6 will give you 24. Now the next thing is we want to find the number of girls that wear glasses. So number of girls wearing glasses. Number of girls wearing glasses. And we know from the question, number of girls wearing glasses is 25%. So we have 25 out of 100 times 24. So we know 25 out of 100 is same as 1 over 4 times 24, and that will give us 6. That will be the answer. Then we have this. We know we're given a set whose cardinality is m. So number of elements in set A is m. But we know that the number of subsets is given by 2 exponent m. So now the n is equal to m. So the correct answer will be option A. For this particular one, if x represents the integers, then we have x greater than -3, x greater than -3, and x is less than 6. So to write this as set notation, we write the curly braces. X is such that, then we also include x belonging to the set of integers, which is z. So the correct answer will be option D. Now let's look at question 9. We want to find a set that is disjoint. So let's start with the first one. Let's list some few even numbers. We have 2, 4, 6, then 8, etc. Then let's list some few odd numbers. We have 1, we have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 9, etc. Then the intersection will be nothing. So the intersection is a null set, meaning that the two sets are disjoint. So the correct answer will be option A. So for the remaining options, we can see that they have intersection. So they cannot be disjoint sets. So all these are not the correct choices. Now let's look at the 10th question. Given that A is having this element and B is also having this element, which of the following statement is true? So we know that all these elements are in set A and B. So B is a subset of A. But the remaining ones are not true. So the correct choice will be A.